Hey everyone, let me show you how I use Meta AI on WhatsApp to write captions. Okay, so you can see this. I'll just write, please write a caption for secret revealing behind the image, and the secret is the biggest giveaway alert. Giveaway alert where everybody will be winning exciting prize. Okay, prizes or prize, say prize, because everyone is going to get one, like cups, t-shirts, and then cups, t-shirt, what caps. Okay, caps and subscriptions, resume, improvisation from experts, and the grand prize will be Apple iPad. Okay, caption on behalf of, and I will be writing the brand's name here. Okay, say I'm just writing X. Okay, for here you can see this. Please to add good CTA of downloading the app and register with us. Also do add to engage with all our posts to win the prizes. Okay, win the prizes. And then what else we can write? We can also write that please do add around 8 hashtags. I don't flirt with a lot of like if I talk about Instagram, so they used to provide 30 hashtags to add, but I don't flood it with a lot of hashtags, because when you will look for Instagram algorithm, it just allows us to use 5 to 8 relevant hashtags that is really connected to your post. It will help us to get ranked on, or say if somebody is like looking for some like content related to your hashtag, so it will help you to show yours, or say feature your like content also. Sorry, my parrot is chirping, so he will be making some noises. So let's do it now. Now you can see how well they are going to. And also I'm just writing please to add, or do add emojis and line breaks too, because they don't do it by themselves. So here they have done, because I have wrote it many times to ask, like I have asked them many times to do it. So yeah, now here you can see how well they have written it. Okay, so yeah, you can also do this. So not just for maybe caption writing, but also if I talk about so say how to make money from Quora. Okay, this is something that I used to write by myself. There are some answers that I would prefer to write, or say blogs that I would prefer to write by myself, because I am making like good sum from Quora. So obviously I will be sharing some screenshots of my like Quora profile and everything. So not this, but we can use something like please share 25 digital marketing trending tips to go viral in 2024. Okay, here you can see this. So it's like so here you can see this. Now if I talk about please elaborate each points so that I can use it in the form of blogs. Okay, now you can see this. So yeah, here you go, you can see this. So this is truly an amazing way to do it. So far people used to look for ChatGPT, then I used to do it by myself, and also nowadays also I do it by myself for some brands, because the way you are writing is something that is making your content more readable. Okay, but if you have some kind time constraint, if your brand, if you don't want to convey that much time to something, like, because there is some other aspect that is more important than writing just captions. So I think that would be great if you are focused. Or you can also do one thing, you can ask Meta to write captions for you, and then you can maybe customize it according to your need, according to your liking. So yeah, just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.